Hi, Mattress Mack here at Gallery Furniture. This is being filmed on Easter Sunday, 2019, April 21st, as we have a giant free lunch out here from 11 to 2 for all of our great patrons out here. We believe in unity in the community. We think we all have a responsibility for well-being our community. So we're thrilled to have thousands of people from all races, colors, and creeds here breaking bread together, having a great time here at Gallery Furniture North Freeway. Most of all, I want to thank the incredible number of volunteers who came out to help their fellow Houstonians, fellow Texans during this big celebration. And as we go into the week, don't forget it's the biggest anniversary sale in Gallery Furniture's history. Thousands of furniture stores have come and gone in Houston over the past 38 years. Gallery Furniture is still here because of one reason, because of you, our great customers. We continue to go all out to delight you, our customers, and make your experience personal, significant, and unexpected with giant selection of furniture, more new furniture in the store right now than ever before, and online, more new furniture than ever before. Low prices, and of course, convenience. Gallery Furniture delivers your furniture in 3 to 4 hours, not 3 to 4 weeks, not 3 to 4 months like our competitors, 3 or 4 hours. So if you're looking for new living room furniture for the exciting Rocket playoff game, Astros games, new living room furniture, family room furniture, man cave furniture, come out to Gallery Furniture. Fabric and leather upholstered furniture, fabric and leather sectionals, fabric and leather 2-for-1 recliners. You buy it today, it's delivered in 3 or 4 hours, just in time for the big game with tremendous selection, tremendous savings, and of course convenience. Gallery delivers tonight. Went to Ohio last week, Amish, Ohio. Biggest auction ever. We bought furniture at pennies on the dollar. Solid wood, made in America, dining room furniture, solid wood, made in America, entertainment center. Those are on sale during the 38th anniversary sale, open every night, Monday through Sunday until 10 p.m. And don't forget about our biggest mattress sale ever, Tempur-Pedic mattress for the best night's sleep of your life. A lot of people ask me how I have so much energy can do these things at age 68 years old. I feel better than ever because I have a great mattress. Come get a great mattress at Gallery Furniture. Buy a Tempur-Pedic, Sealy, Stearns & Foster 3000 or better. And if the Astros win it all in 2019 like they did in 2017, your mattress purchase is free. Come out to Gallery Furniture's 38th anniversary sale, open until 10 every night, or shop online at galleryfurniture.com. Buy your furniture today. You'll see a giant selection of the latest, newest products from the High Point April Furniture Market in 2019, already on the floor at Gallery Furniture or online. You'll see a giant selection of best new furniture ever delivered to your home today.